Right then, boy, this is going to be a slight departure from the usual. For Charlotte's birthday, we're going to Harry Potter World. Harry Potter! Now, I'm not actually sure if we're allowed to film in Harry Potter World, so this may be a short video that gets deleted. But if you're not, it will be a covert operation, so happy birthday, and we'll see you at Harry Potter World.
Listen here, Hagrid, I'm just Harry!
Right, it's taking slightly longer than planned to Watford, so we can do some Harry Potter impressions. Do you have any Harry Potter impressions?
No, Harry, you are a wizard.
You can't do any Harry Potter impressions. Charlotte loves Harry Potter, so I've seen Harry Potter a lot of times. Only true Harry Potter fans will know that one. Harry Potter, did you put your name in the goblet of fire? That's
I'm a what?
That's Gandalf.
Harry, you're a wizard.
Is there any more?
No, you don't have very many.
I don't think there's any more Harry Potter impressions I can do.
I'm a wizard?
You'll have to wait till we get to Harry Potter Land. Here we are, it's the coaches. Oh, better stop filming now. Harry Potter mega fan. That's the ruse we're going to go with if we get caught.
You're a wizard.
But I'm just Harry!
No, just Harry. You are a wizard.
Go on, put it in there, put your hand in there. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'll give you that.
Look, it's your chance. There's a goblet of fire. It's your chance to do your impression.
Oh my god, where's the goblet of fire?
Here.
The goblet of fire. The goblet of fire. Yep, it's a massive cauldron. Not much more to say about that. It's the wall of death with all the other dead Dumbledores. What's that supposed to be? The room of requirement? The cupboard of crap? Now, from experience, this is really disgusting. But I will drink it again. It's not at all like it's advertised. It's not like buttery beer. Yeah, you like it. It's like cream and soda stream and iron brew. It's disgusting. Do not drink it. sick of Harry Potter now. Yes. Right, finally, the Hogwarts money shot is over. Done. It is no more Hogwarts.
I want my picture.